So you want to learn skills and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I don't have all this money to pay for all of these skills. How am I going to learn these skills? Especially when you know that these skills can help you to get paid, make a lot of money, and start living the life you always wanted. Well, guess what? You can. And guess how? YouTube. That's right. You can learn skills on YouTube and get paid. Want to know how? Okay, I'll help you. Number one, you can learn video editing on YouTube. That's right. You can. They have tutorials, they have master classes, there are tons of videos that give you detailed instructions, what software to use, how to do editing. You can also get your own software, CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, all these softwares, and start learning editing on your own, following instructions on YouTube, and start making money. Another thing you can use, you can learn, another skill you can acquire just watching YouTube videos is graphic designing. They will show you how to use different softwares like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Figma. They show you the ins and outs, detailed tutorials, master classes. You can sign up, you can pay for, you can do it for free. It's all on YouTube. These are skills you can use and start getting paid. So stop worrying about paying for skills when you can literally watch it online, practice it, start creating a portfolio, and then start making money, start getting clients. You can do it directly, or you can go on sites like Fiverr, etc. Another skill you can learn is digital marketing. That's a big one. Because how is it going to sell your skill, products, and other stuff online if you cannot market it digitally? So digital marketing, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, paid ads, Google, Facebook, right? You can use tools like Google Analytics, MailChimp, SEMrush. All of these things you can learn via YouTube videos and start getting paid. Start making money from these skills that you can acquire for free just by watching YouTube videos. Another skill you can learn online via YouTube is copywriting. Copywriting is very important. This is how you persuade people to make purchase or to do something you want them to do without telling them directly to do it. That is copywriting. And you can learn it via YouTube. Now, copywriting is sales copy, email sequences, landing pages, and ad headlines. When you're doing copywriting, you're dealing with psychology. You are getting into the minds of people to the point where they have no doubt but to purchase the products that you are offering, purchase or make use of the service you're offering, or get them to sign up to your newsletter, whether it's for free, whether it's paid. Get them to share their information with you, get them to click your video, get them to want to share their email so you can give them an email sequence, whatever you want. That's what copywriting is. Copywriting has a lot to do with psychology. It's not salesy. It's just a different way to get people to do what you want them to do without you having to be salesy. So go ahead, learn copywriting by watching YouTube videos, or if you want, you can pay for it. Yeah, you can pay for it. YouTube has a premium service. This is where you have no ads, you can be very selective, etc. Or you can do like me, watch it for free. Go ahead, watch these videos for free, learn it, create your portfolio, start making money. Another thing you can learn is web development, front end and back end. Yes, there are detailed videos that show you what to do, the different softwares, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Python, Node.js, all of these. programming languages. You can learn it online. Who knows, you can even become a data analyst, a programmer, a coder, etc. All by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you can learn it. Go ahead and learn it. Another thing you can learn, just watching videos on YouTube. 3D modeling and animation. Now this is a big thing, because many people want to create videos that are in this category, animation, right? And different softwares like Blender, Cinema 4D, Maya. You learn modeling, sculpting, texturing, lighting, animation basics, game asset creation, character design, architectural renders. All of these things that I have no clue what they are, but sounds interesting. And the more you learn, the more you get involved, the more you can do, right? You see all these huge Disney productions, all of these things happening. Yeah, all these are involved, and they are right now creators who are skilled in these areas that are getting these jobs, that are participating in these projects, and a lot of them don't even have to leave their homes. Yes, so go ahead, watch those videos, learn what you want to learn, and start making the bucks. You are already on social media. The difference is you are not making the money. Don't you want to make the money? You are already on social media, you know. You are already paying for that internet. You're already paying for the electricity. You're already paying for the phone. You're like me. You're in the park, getting your steps in. You're exercising. As I can see, the trees are changing colors, so you know it's fall time. It's getting cool. The temperature is barely 2 degrees. Then it dropped to single, and then very soon it's going to be below zero. Go ahead. You're already putting in the work. Start making money. Watch those videos. Learn it. Build your portfolio. Start making money. Another skill you can use is voiceover acting. Voice techniques, breathing, tone, clarity, articulation. Recording setup like your microphone, your soundproofing, your software, editing, noise removal, mastering, exporting. Hey, right now you're hearing the breeze and all these things in this video. I'm not gonna do any noise removal. I'm okay with it, but not everybody is okay with it. Maybe you can fine tune it, especially when you're doing movie productions, right? You just want to get the scenery, but you don't want the noise. You don't want to hear that playing in the background. You can remove it. All of these are skills people pay for. And you can learn it online, create your portfolio, start getting paid. See the plane right up there? I'm not sure if you can see it. Right. So learn the skill. Learn to remove the noise out of it. I just show the plane and you can remove it out of the video, but I'm not gonna do that. Everything I do is as is. Right? So go ahead. Don't have to be like me. Learn the skill, start making that money. Disney likes it. What is that? Other big Warner Brothers, all these big studios are paying people a lot of money to help them with animation. Go ahead and do it. Photography and photo editing. Right? Photography techniques like lighting, angles, gear settings, editing with Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop, portrait, product, event and real estate photography. Yeah, look at this beautiful scenery. Now there's a helicopter flying. See this scenery? Very photogenic. Where is it? I'm gonna catch it for you. There it is. You see it? Of course, you can learn the skill to remove it out of the background, get the software, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't have time for. Well, I have time for editing, but I'm not gonna spend it to do that. I prefer to use it to help others to learn the skills, what they need to learn, and make money from their hobbies. That's what I do. Help people make money from what they're already doing. You like playing tennis? Make money from it. You like walking in the park like me? Make money from it. You like singing? Make money from it. Like cooking? Make money from it. You like the beautiful scenery? Make money from it, etc. So go ahead. You can learn these skills on YouTube and start getting paid for it. Photography, video editing, animation, copywriting, etc. All of these things are free on YouTube, unless of course you plan to pay for the premium, so that we have no ads and you get more. And some of these people who are sharing the information on YouTube, they have memberships, they have patrons, and all these private exclusive memberships that you can pay and get even more. You can even contact them one-on-one, get coaching. But those are paid services. I'm concentrating on the free ones, which is just watch the video on YouTube, learn it, practice, build your portfolio, start making money. Another skill you can learn, mobile app development. Tools like Flutter, React Native, Android Studio, Swift. Build cross-platform apps from scratch, connect to databases, APIs, and publish to app stores. Yeah, you can do it too. Those apps you see in, we call it, Google stores and Apple stores that you download on your phone, and you can build those to make money. You can learn to do it also. And the best part is there are AI tools that don't require any coding. So you just get the tool, put in what you want, start making these apps. And there are videos on YouTube that can teach you step by step how to do it for free, because you're just watching it on YouTube. You already have the phone, you already have on social media, you already have internet. Watch it, learn it, build a portfolio, start making money. Another thing is social media management. A lot of people know that you need to be online, you need to have a presence. And one of the easiest way to make people aware of what you're selling, whether it's a service or a product, is on social media. But they don't have time, they're working 9 to 5, kids, all the stuff, but they need to have consistency. That's where you come in. You manage these accounts for them, you create the videos for them, you put it up for them, you do the marketing for them, etc. Social media management, right? How to manage Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn for brands, content planning, scheduling, analytics, and engagement strategies. Use tools like Buffer, Later, Hootsuite, Canva, etc. You can learn all of these on YouTube videos for free. Create your portfolio, start making money. So go ahead, make use of YouTube. Don't just go on it to listen to my videos, which is important. Also use it to learn something, create a portfolio, start making money. I'm Leroy A. Brown from leroyabrown.ca. Thanks for joining me.